Hey everyone, back in the garage, and today we're talking about a piece of gear that has genuinely made a difference in my paint and powder coating work. The Eastwood Spectra-Vision paint and powder gun light. Look, we all know lighting can make or break a finish. Trying to spot imperfections or current progress under standard garage lighting, that's a recipe for frustration. And that's where this light comes to the rescue. The key here is the direct gun mount. So the light's always pointed exactly where you need it, hands-free. No more fumbling with flashlights. It's a high output LED, but what sets it apart is its 95+ color rendering index, or CRI. This means that you will have a nearly perfect representation of how your color will look in actual sunlight. This level of clarity is vital. You can see the metallic distribution, spot any dry spray, and ensure even coverage. It's about getting consistent results, not just guessing. And it's not just for paint. It also works really well for powder coating. You can monitor the powder thickness and prevent uneven coverage, which is a common issue with poor lighting. Installation is straightforward. Simply loosen up the clamp, slide onto your paint or powder gun, and tighten. Then adjust the angle, and you're good to go. The Spectra-Vision light is designed for practical use in a workshop environment. We have tried tons of lighting solutions in the Eastwood studio, and honestly, this one stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's durable, easy to swap from gun to gun, and is simple to charge up when not in use. If you're serious about getting a high-quality finish, this light is worth adding into your workflow. For more information on the Spectra-Vision paint and powder gun light, head over to eastwood.com.